We are here today for a little tip about the star. Are you ready to be a star? Up and then go down. This is like the star. So I'm just lifting my body all up together. And when you feel strong enough, actually, you can reach and you can try and lift your arms and lower your legs and then go back in that position. Let's do 2 more. So I put my hand in the middle of the foot bar, this foot against the shoulder block, and then boom. That's what I feel. I'm strong here and I move. This is the basics of the exercise. After, you can do all the choreography you want. It doesn't matter so much to me. It matters that your body stays as one piece.